Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Steam login problems, account and connection fixes step by step clearly. First, check Steam server status on a trusted site and wait if there is an outage. Restart your PC to clear temporary network and client glitches. Close Steam completely from the system tray and make sure it is not running in Task Manager. Open Steam again and confirm you are typing the correct account name, not your display name. Retype your password manually and make sure caps lock and keyboard language are correct. If you use SteamGuard, check the time on your phone and enable automatic time and date. Request a new SteamGuard code and enter the latest code only. If you forgot your password, click I can't sign in and use Steam's official recovery flow. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Steam verification and recovery messages. If you cannot access your email, secure your email account first and then return to Steam Recovery. Disable any VPN or proxy and try signing in again using your normal connection. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to reconnect. Test your internet by opening a few websites and confirming they load quickly. Switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet if possible for a more stable connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or reboot the Wi-Fi adapter. Run Steam as administrator by right-clicking Steam and selecting Run as Administrator. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus web shields and try to log in again. Allow Steam and Windows Firewall by adding Steam, exe and Steam Web Helper, exe to allowed apps. Clear Steam's download cache by opening Settings, Downloads, and selecting Clear Download Cache. Check your system date, time, and region settings because incorrect values can block logins. Flush DNS by opening command prompt as admin and running IP protocol configuration /flushdns. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in your network adapter settings and retry. Reset your network stack by running netsh winsock reset, then restart the PC. Update Steam by closing it and launching it again so it checks for updates automatically. Update Windows and your network drivers to fix compatibility and connection issues. If Steam is stuck, repair it by running Steam //flushconfig in the Run dialog. Then sign in again. If login still fails, reinstall Steam but back up the Steam apps folder to keep your games. Contact Steam support only through help, Steam-powered, and include exact error messages and screenshots. If this guide helped, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.